The line goes all the way around the parking lot now. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, my name is Jessica, and this is a little bit of a different video than what I typically do. I have something in my eye. I wash my hands. Anyways, so yesterday on my Instagram, I talked about going to Costco. I asked all my friends and kind of followers there if they've been to Costco this week. I know we're kind of in this crazy pandemic right now where we're supposed to stay in and people are hoarding things and people are buying toilet paper, and it's a little bit crazy, and I hope everyone's staying safe, and I hope this video helps you too. I just thought I would share my experience at Costco because I actually went today. I wanted to upload this as soon as I could and just kind of share with you what happened and how it was and what I got. I asked you guys if you wanted to see what I actually got from Costco also, so I'm gonna showing you a little Costco haul. Yeah, I took everyone's advice, so thank you all so much. And I shopped for my family, helped others who, were in need. So if you can do that, if you can help someone else who's kind of, needing the help to grocery shop to just get basic needs, do so. This is not a hoarding video. I didn't hoard things, and I didn't just get crazy. I was getting things specifically essential needs that we need for my family. I mean, we were on wipes already, okay? We were on Kleenex, tissue. I just wanted to share with you just the updated thing on what's going on. I live here in Southern California, so this is pertinent to that, but also to anyone who wants to go to Costco, I guess, during this time, because Costco's the best. I love it. I love Costco. So let's just get right into that portion of shopping right now. Costco, you guys, and there is a line. There is a line. That's crazy. All right, let's do this. 2 hours early. This is the line already. So crazy. All right, everyone, I made it to Costco and I took everyone's advice. I got here actually 2 hours earlier. I'm just getting normal stuff like one roll of toilet paper, but this is the whole line right now. It's not so bad. The entrance is way up there and it kind of wraps around a little bit there, but it's not bad, except I'm waiting 2 hours. Here's the update, you guys. Line goes all the way down now. I'm here in line still. I've been reading, just trying to get through.
All right, good morning, folks. Okay, so we have a limited supply of product. We do have paper towels, we do have water, we do have toilet paper.
We also have security here. Here's the update, you guys. So the line goes all the way out to the Costco gas, and then it goes all the way around back near the Waba Grill. So the end of the line is all the way out there. This is insane. Oh God. Alright, it looks like we're starting to move. It is 9:51. I'm getting in just as it's starting to rain. So lucky. I'm almost there. To show you the line over here. Well, I literally did not just make the cutoff. They're not letting any more people in until those people come out, I guess. So I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th in line.
Trying to go slow.
Here we go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you all so much. So much easier, you guys. You just put it right in your car. That's it. All right, so now on to Lysol. Everything is so organized, you guys. It's so nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. Lysol is this way?
Water, and I want you guys, every house will be in the back.
Okay, thank you. You guys, lines are not so bad. So much stuff. Dad showed up. He's not allowed to go inside of Costco, but he came to help me unload everything. Look at this. This is everything. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. The line is still going, by the way. It's almost 11, and yeah, the line is still going all the way around. My huge bill. Gosh, this is so expensive. All right, before I even show you the haul and kind of show you guys what I got, I just want to say a big thank you to Costco. I mean, I had a conversation with someone at the gas station right before leaving after the shopping and everything, and he had nothing but like really great things to say. He said he was so blessed and so grateful to be working for Costco, and just the way that they had everything so organized, as you saw, and how they're really trying to minimize the panic and the fear, and they're just trying to just follow, you know, protocol and be very safe and help everyone to not be like World War Z. It was not like that at all, and I was just so grateful, and I'm thankful for everyone that's working right now and who aren't able to kind of work from home this time period. And you know, my heart goes out to you guys, and I'm praying for you. And I just want to say a huge shout out and a huge thank you to Costco and to everyone that's working there, because that was a really pleasant experience for being such a crazy time right now. And don't be afraid of going out there if you want to. Like, for sure, don't listen to what I have to say. I'm just sharing with you my experience, but you know, do what you gotta do and listen to the health professionals, the CDC, the WHO, World Health Organization. So I mean, I'll link all that below, but you guys know the drill with all that stuff. Please listen to professionals. So let's get into this haul right now, okay? Yeah. All right, so I got a lot of the essentials that I would normally get at Costco. I'll put a list of everything that they're totally out of, at least at my Costco. I couldn't find bananas, rice, beans, canned tuna, chicken, not even frozen chicken, organic ground turkey. I did find regular ground turkey. Frozen veggies, hardly anything. Cup of noodle soup, the hunks. If you know, you know. Oh, egg whites, paper towels, Lysol, bleach, Clorox wipes. That's kind of like it that they didn't have that I normally get. That was on my list, but this is what I did get. I got a bunch of greens, so I know a lot of this is perishable, but this can be added in smoothies. I can freeze this. You can still be healthy during a quarantine, okay? I got like salads like this, just because they're easy and they're already chopped up. Bell peppers, I always get bell peppers from there. They're a perfect snack. Grape tomatoes, these are just an easy snack also, and you can add them in pastas, and you can add them in anything really, salads. You were only allowed 1 carton of eggs per household, like not even per family, per household. So like that's it. The only frozen things I got, let me show you, were frozen asparagus. They had a lot of this, so I got 2 bags of that, and I also got this frozen fruits. I mean, they're organic and like good. I can add them in your smoothies, add them on top of yogurt, add them, you know what I'm saying? Speaking of yogurt, I actually got 2 tubs of these, one for my family, one for myself as well, just because they're huge and this is really good protein. These were requests from my sister and my dad. They're huge, they're good. This is for my mom. She really loves Special K with the strawberries in, and this is just her thing. Before this, we were totally out of everything, so this is why. This is really good protein. This is something that I'll be supplementing with. There wasn't a lot of meats, like I couldn't get a lot of chicken because they were out, or any turkey really. I mean, I kind of had to go for like the bougie meats, to be honest with you, and there wasn't that much budget for that, so let me show you. I got ground turkey and I split it with my family as well, and I got salmon, you know, kind of expensive, but this is like what we got to do. And I also got these kale and mozzarella Amy Lou chicken patties. These are really, really good. These are really good, and they're expensive, but I mean, I had to get some sort of protein sources, so it's kind of a bougie meat thing. But I just wanted to show, I got canned tuna last week. Actually, it wasn't even me, it was my mom. If you can get your hands on these, this is a really good, easy, like, I have so many bomb recipes, like elote loco tuna. I ended up getting like the box of these. This is almond milk that doesn't need to be refrigerated. It's unsweetened. We don't drink dairy here as much. We do have Greek yogurt. I came with 6 of them, and so yeah, we'll be splitting these up with the family. I got like 2 bags of these cuties. These are a favorite snack. They're so good. Really, really good. Sweet potato, you can't go wrong with sweet potato. It's a huge bag, and you can do them roasted in your air fryer. You can do sweet potato soup, like a chowder, fries, everything. A baked potato, everything. Mangoes. you already know, like it's really good. I did get a carton of chicken broth as well. This will be really good for any soups that we'll make during this time. And I just needed to stock up on this anyway. So this is something that I would have done. So it kind of, you know, I'm just kind of showing you everything. One snack that I got is Skinny Pop. If you've heard of Skinny Pop, like this thing is bomb. Sorry, I think my camera cut off for a second. We're back. We got bagels and cream cheese because they're easy. They're really, really good. And this is a huge tub of cream cheese, okay? I know that's a lot, but it lasts a long time and you can always freeze half of it, you know, and you're fine, you're good. So I don't know. These crackers were on sale at my Costco, so sometimes it was a sale purchase. And I do have like a lot of cheeses left over. Like I have goat cheese and like a block of cheddar cheese left. I have like random things left over. But yeah, these will be really good for like cheese and crackers or something, or maybe like croutons on a salad. I don't know. I did get some French bread. Okay, this I don't normally buy. This purchase, just to be honest with you, was a like in the moment purchase because first of all, it's $5 for 2 of these and they were warm. I got there so early at Costco that everything was so warm, like you can touch them, and they were barely coming out of like the oven. You know me and bread and cakes and pies. It just, I had to get this. I also got avocado spray. I've like been getting at Costco for a really long time now, just because you get 2 of these and I think it's like $8 or $7. I can't remember, but it's such a good price. It's very, very easy when you're like frying things, when you're stir frying, when I use my wok, my maiden wok. I'll put that link up here. That wok, dude, is so good. It's just so easy. In your air fryer, if you have an air fryer, what does it say? 0 calories for a 1/4 second spray. And then I got baby spinach. We use this a lot. I use this in my green pancakes. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm obsessed with green pancakes. Yeah. You know? I think that's basically it. I also got like laundry detergent. The laundry detergent is probably something you didn't think of getting, maybe if you are running low or not, but we're also trying to reuse a lot of our things, you know? So we have like hand towels around and we're washing those like constantly instead of the paper towels, just because paper towels seem to be out everywhere. I don't find paper towels, and honestly, it's also like kind of eco-friendly too. So that's also one thing that I was afraid of running out of like within the next couple weeks. Maybe that's something that could help you as well. I also got this huge thing of vinegar just for cleaning purposes throughout the house. I don't think it's antiviral. I think it's very strong, but it's not antiviral. One thing they did have a lot was corned beef and potatoes. So happy St. Patrick's Day to everyone. And I hope this video helped you, and I hope that you're at home safe and that you're cooking with your family. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you went to Costco or if you're going, or if this, you know, sorry, sometimes you're a little bit overwhelmed, you know, after coming from a shopping spree, especially like that intense. It's intense. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope I see you in the next video. Ciao! Wash your hands. It's a good thing to just pray for each other and to send out lots of love, lots of light, and be united in this cause. Spending 2 hours in line just to get those bare necessities it's a true surreal moment. Yeah, very, very unique time of our lives right now, for sure.